Everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking to get your car paint corrected, polished, ceramic coated, PPF, my new friend here, Neil, just knocked it out of the park with my 2014 Panamera GTS. Shout outs to Neil, making things happen. This thing is looking good. Looking good, looking good. The whole front of this is PP'd, looking good. Shout outs to Neil. Thank you, sir. Just for documentation purposes, January 19th, 2025. This was just picked up. Just picked up from my go-to guy that does now does all of my paint correction, ceramic coat, PPF, based out of Mooresville, North Carolina. This thing is, I'd say the paint is nicer than the day it came off the showroom. Looking nice. This is what it looks like with the high air ride lift. Nice little gap there so I can get this thing on the lift for storage purposes. I mean, it just looks so nice. I mean, nice work, Neil. Could not be happier. And the rims, black powder coated. Wasn't expecting that, but polished those up nice as well. Very, very nice. Very nice. No curb rash on these rims. Oh no. All right. The Porsche is back up on the lift and out of the way of everything. Looking nicer than the day I got it. I should have done that the day I got it. That paint correction looks fantastic. So definitely stay tuned. I'll be getting some nice, I like to say keepsake pictures of this thing. Got a photographer's gonna make me maybe some nice looking pictures of this bad boy for old time's sake, and I'll include in the listing that kind of highlights everything about this Panamera 2014 GTS with, I think I just parked it with 34,800 and maybe 90 miles. Yeah, 34,890 I think is what it has on it. And hope to enjoy this just ridiculous Maserati Gran Turismo MC 2017. Doesn't even have 18,000 miles on it. And I'll be doing a full walkthrough tutorial of this 200K spec piece of Italian heritage. This thing is just nuts. Two different types of driving experience. Very different. I'll explain that in the upcoming video of this. And I don't know if I'll ever sell this thing. I don't know. Maybe 2026 after I enjoy it for a little bit. Stay tuned.